Welcome to Tech Boss again. In this video we are going to learn how to fix any error when you are using DJI Gimbal. You can see I'm having the same problem over there, but before we start this process, I'll ask from you guys to hit on the subscribe button so when I upload a new video you can get notification. And also in my next video we are going to learn more about this particular gimbal, so hit on the subscribe button and enable the notification bell so when I upload that video you can get the notification. You can see I have the same problem that I show on the screen. When I was having that problem, I was very stressful, and I even called the shop that I bought the gimbal from, and they told me to bring it back over there, but from my distance to that place is like 60 kilometers. So I have do many research online on how to fix this. I didn't get any good answer, and even I went to them website and I see that many people are having similar problem over there. So I try to manage it by fixing it by myself. Okay, you can see how this tutorial will face many errors about this gimbal. When you start to face this problem, only thing you are going to see online is to press on that trigger button. I don't know if I mentioned the name very well, but this is the only solution I've found. Any tutorial is showing that click on there. So first try and click on there, see if this problem going to be fixed. If it's not fixed, keep on watching the full video, and we are going to fix this problem before the end of the video. You can see it look like the problem was fixed, but it's not fixed. When I try to use the gimbal, still my phone is fall down. It's even broke one of my phone screen. So watch the full video so you can fix this problem. Now let's do it step by step. You can see this is the problem that you are fixing. The gimbal, even the gimbal is to show you that you are facing this problem. So first turn off your gimbal. You can see now I turn off my gimbal. Now after I turn off the gimbal, follow me and remove the gimbal. Remove the phone, your phone from the gimbal, from the gimbal holder, not just the gimbal. Remove it from the gimbal holder. After I remove it from the gimbal holder, now I'll remove my one from the gimbal holder. After I remove it, try to place the gimbal holder in the middle of your phone. Try to place it at the middle of your phone. You have to follow me very well. Here you need to follow me very well. Before you can set it in the middle of the phone, you don't need to remove the gimbal holder from the phone. Just leave it over there and try to replace it very well. After place it at the middle of the phone, be careful that you didn't damage your mobile phone. So let's try to place it on the middle of the phone. Okay, let me do it manual myself. I want to try it manual myself, so I remove the gimbal holder and try to place it manual by myself. After I place it manual by myself, I can see it's middle of the gimbal, but when here you need to connect it and on your gimbal again. When you on your gimbal again and it's giving you the same problem, that means the phone was not placed, the gimbal holder was not placed at the middle of your phone. So try and place it very well again. And first you need to you need to set your gimbal manual like how I'm set it. Set it like this before put the gimbal holder on the gimbal again. Okay, now you can see how I set my own. So I will just put the gimbal holder on the gimbal again. After that, I'm going to on my gimbal and open the app and try see if everything is working. So Let's do it like that. Let's just place the gimbal like that and place your phone on the gimbal and place your phone and your gimbal holder on the gimbal. Now you can see I set the gimbal manual, so I'm going to on the gimbal. After on the gimbal, I'm going to also on the gimbal app, the DJI. My gimbal is DJI SE. So I don't know your own, but this tutorial are going to work for all the DJI gimbal. I don't know if either it's going to work for other gimbal too, but this tutorial are going to work for other gimbal too. Now you can see I don't have that problem anymore because my phone is placed well. All the problem you are having is that you didn't place your gimbal your phone at the middle of the gimbal. That's the major problem that many people are having using this gimbal. So thank you for watching this video. Hit on the subscribe button so when I upload next video you can also get notification. See you in my next video again. Leave us comments if you see this video helpful and like our video so it can reach many people.